children. Hope all of you are well and safe at home. I welcome all of you to the computer class. Today we are going to start our first chapter, email. All of you might be familiar with this term, email, isn't it? Some of you may have email ID also, right? Email is the abbreviation for electronic mail. That means the letter that is sent electronically is called email. Before the invention of mobile phones, computers, etc., writing letters were one of most basic form of communication. In this, you have to write letter in a piece of paper, put it in an envelope, affix stamp, and drop it in post box. The postal department will deliver your letter to the intended recipient, right? In this you have to spend money on envelope, stamp, etc. Also, there is wastage of time because the recipient might get the letter after 1 or 2 days. Some may fear of losing the letter. This may not be the case with email. It's a free service and anyone can avail this. Only 2 things are necessary. First one, you must have a valid email ID, and the second thing, you must have a device with internet connectivity. Let us see more in detail. Email is the short form of electronic mail and it is a mailing service. Okay. Using this service, people exchange letters and documents to others over internet. The emails that are sent may reach the destination in few seconds. For example, if you send an email from India to New York, it reaches within 15 to 20 seconds. Got it? Let us discuss what are email service providers. These are a group of people or organization that provides email service. The most common ones are Yahoo, Gmail, Rediff, Hotmail and AOL. These are the most common ones. Many other service providers are there. Okay. You can avail email service from any of these service providers. In order to get an email service, you have to first register with any of these email service providers. Once the registration is completed, you will have an email account and you will be assigned with an email address. Once you have your email address, you can send or receive emails to others. The email address has a well-defined format. That is name, @ email service provider domain.com. Name means it's the name of the mailbox. It can be your personal name or nickname or any other word that identifies the user. Okay. @ is a separator between name and the domain name. Next one, email address provider's domain name. It is the domain name through which email service provider provides email services to the users to exchange emails. Let us see some valid email IDs. Okay. Rajiv@gmail.com. Second one, Veena 1984@rediffmail.com. Third one is Sanjna_15@yahoo.com. Now let us see the prerequisites for an email. Your computer must be connected to the internet. Second, you must have an email account registered with the email service provider. Then you must know your email login name and password. And the last one is you must know the email address of the person to whom you are sending the email. So far we have learned about email. Now let us see how to create an email using Yahoo Service Provider.
www.yahoo.com. Enter. You will get a window like this. This is the home page of Yahoo. Here you have to click on this option, mail. Now you will be redirected to Yahoo Mail. In this web page, you have to click on create an account option. You will get a window like this. Here you have to enter your details. You enter the name. The second thing, email address. Here you have to enter the email address. That means how you want your email address to be. Okay. You can enter as your choice. Here you have to enter the password. Enter the mobile phone number. After that, your date of birth, then gender. Once you enter all the details, you have to click on continue. Here you have to enter a valid phone number. After that, click on text me a verification code. Okay. Once you click on that button, you will get a message in your mobile number. You have to enter the verification code here. Our account is created. This is our mail ID, testmailchindalaya@yahoo.com. Okay. You will get a message like this. Click on done. You will be taken to the mail homepage. This is how your Yahoo mail looks. In the top right corner, you can see the name. It's test mail. Just click on that to get the details. Here you can see the name, test mail. This is the surname I have given. This is the email ID of this account, test mail Chindalaya. Okay.
Let us wind up today's session. Hope all of you have understood what we have discussed today. In the next class, we will learn how to use emails. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.